Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you see, I'm back with my Sprinter, and if you watched any of my videos, I replaced the valve cover seal, and doing that you have to remove the injectors. And after I sorted that all out, assembled everything back together, I could not start it. It is very common, like this Sprinter has a OM651 engine, which usually comes with the Delphi injectors. They're very common with no starting issue. So in this video, I just want to give you a few tips and hints that I learned, so you do not have like a same headache like I did. I cranked for 3 days, and I nearly gave up. I nearly took out injectors again and took it to the injector place. Okay. Whenever you remove those injectors out, number one tip is always keep them upright. Never lay them down to rest while you do the work. Air is gonna come in and it's gonna make your life hard to start it back up. Second hint is when you assemble everything, do not crank. Actually, you should disconnect the power to the injectors and then crank to bleed all fuel lines to the injectors. Without that, you're in trouble. So when you bleed, just bleed each injector individually, like open one, crank, close it, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, that was second tip. Third tip is connect the diagnostic tool and check common rail pressure when you crank. It should go over 300 bar. If you're not getting that pressure, you have a leak somewhere. Maybe you can see it, maybe diesel is leaking or not, maybe you can't. But if you're not getting that pressure over 300 bar, they say 240 to 300. I saw it going 300, 320, 290, should be around there. If you don't have the common rail pressure that big, is not going to start no matter what. Okay, another tip is if you have the Mercedes Diagnostics, in that Diagnostics they have like an option where they force fuel pump to raise pressure about 700 bar, 800 bar. So that helps to push air through the injectors. All right, we'll do special procedures. And we'll do this procedure. Combustion engine does not start after work on the fuel injectors. Fingers crossed. Rail pressure, operate the starter. That's what it says. I did that, and after cranking, it started to catch. You think it's gonna start. It's not starting, but you can tell. Start smoking at the back. You'll see smoke, but it's not starting yet. So that function in diagnostics helped, but they recommend doing it only once because obviously, it's, the high pressure pump might fail because it's pushing. That's a lot of pressure, 700 bar. Okay, and final tip. When you hear it catching, it's cranking, it's catching, but it's not starting. What I did on an intake, I removed the intake hose and I sprayed anything flammable. I had this on hand, so this helped. So anything flammable, you can even buy the proper one that helps engine starts. I don't know what they're called, but I just used the mass airflow cleaner, which is highly flammable, and you just spray it in there while cranking, and it's gonna start. As soon as it starts, try to go back inside the car and press accelerator and keep it to 2,000, 3,000 revs for a few minutes. Don't let go. And that's it. That's how you start it. After that, it's gonna, when it starts and you ran it for 4 or 5 minutes, it's still going to be rough. The engine's gonna shake. Not all injectors, not all air is out. So best thing is to connect everything up and go for a run, go for a drive, you know, drive for 10-20 minutes. That's going to sort it out. So that's how I sorted my problem with no start with the Delphi injectors. Those tips might help you. Don't be scared to use this. You can, you know, go for 5-10 seconds, see how it goes. But it's going to start, you know, it's gonna start, it's gonna shut down, keep going. And yeah, it was like a big headache, but I'm glad I sorted it out, and I hope I'm helping you as well. So please like my video and do subscribe for my channel. I'll be recording more and more, anything that I can help you guys. Thanks for watching.